It sucks. It sucks when people leave and not even their shadow is visible. But but you still care for them. You just can't let go of the feelings even when the person has already left. You go to sleep thinking about them. You wake up again thinking about them. They're present with you in every little thing you do. And you just can't help it. A major part of you still care for them. It still makes you do all the things you love doing with them. Unknowingly, you are humming the songs they loved. Your heart resides in all the places they went with you. You have tried every possible way, but it's just not how things work. No matter how hard you try, you can't let go of all the happy memories you made and the arguments you solved together on some bad days. You're starting to feel that you are sitting on a seesaw, but, but there is no one else to keep it swinging. That's when you feel that their memories are not so easy to let go of. So you wait and let time do its work. Your heart is not at peace, and mind does the constant thinking about them. Try giving these to some time. World will start making sense. I asked for strength, and God gave me difficulties to make me strong. I asked for wisdom, God gave me problems to solve. I asked for courage, God gave me dangers to overcome. I asked for love, God gave me troubled people to help. My prayers were answered,